Alright, example 4. Discuss the existence of the limit. The limit of 1 over x squared as x goes to 0. So this time they gave us the graph. And all we're going to do is look at the graph to figure out what the limit is. Okay? So, in order to figure out the limit of 1 over x squared as x approaches 0, okay, in order to solve that, we're first going to look at the limit of 1 over x squared as x approaches 0 from the right, and we're also going to look at the limit of 1 over x squared as x approaches 0 from the left. Okay? So here is x approaches 0 from the right, and you can see that this is going towards infinity. Okay? Here is x is approaching 0 from the left, and here you can say that this limit is also approaching infinity. So this time, the limit of this function as x approaches 0 from the right and from the left both equal infinity. So overall, we can say that this limit equals infinity. Okay? Again, these limits have to be equal to each other in order for this limit to exist. If coming from the left or coming from the right, if those give you two different values for the limit, then overall the limit of this function as x approaches 0 would be does not exist. But that isn't the case here.